Morning, YouTubers. What's up? Well, I found my old 5 blade whittler, or whatever you want to call it. The E.C. Simmons reproduction. China. Still on that one blade. E.C. Simmons, St. Louis, Missouri, USA. Big hardware store. Huge. Buy your cattle, donkeys, horses, wagons. Go west. I don't know if they had 5 blade pocket knives back then. A little before my time. Anyway, I thought I'd show you that today. I ain't seen very many of them. Anyway, have a good day. Stay warm, stay dry. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.